Here we are on the Kennebecasis River, literally on the Kennebecasis River in New Brunswick, the only place in the world where you get to walk on water for 3 months of the year. River, you're on water. You're literally on the river that you swim in. River is on the river that River swims in the summer. What do you think of it, River? Do you want to go ice fishing?
Yeah.
Let's go ice fishing. Come on, Hunter, come on.
Let's go.
Those holes. How's it going? Good, thanks. How's it going? How are you?
Tour?
Yeah. Can we come and have a look?
Good.
How's it going?
Well, hey, Dad, what's going on?
Hunter and River here.
Oh,
We can't take videos down here.
Oh, no videos
yeah,
yet.
you're
What
good.
happens down here stays down here.
Yeah.
That's right.
How's it going in there? Good?
You can say that.
In the bag.
Holy, this is a fishing shack.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
it.
this is it.
This is the real deal.
Yeah.
Guys want to split a pop? You thirsty or?
No.
No? I don't have any water because I just.
Did you say no thank you,
Oh,
boys?
you're good. Don't get a lot in this pot. You want to
There.
try it?
Okay.
There's no rush to leave. You guys are all
Oh, you're
welcome.
Yeah,
great,
Daddy.
guys.
We want to leave.
So what you gotta do, you gotta hold it nice and steady, like
And then
that.
when you feel a bite, you
When you
lift it
feel
up.
it,
That's
your,
right.
your tip will go bing, 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 bing.
Then you lift it up and then wind up quickly. And once it gets near the top, you go slow.
Put it right there, Jeff.
All right.
Behind the hamburgers, your beer.
Yep. Thanks.
It's getting a little heavy.
It's really slow fishing right now.
We went fishing.
When we get one, Kenny? Oh. No.
No.
Drop her back down.
Next
Oh, yeah.
time, if it's a game of strategy and skill.
Yeah. They like to take your bait. Get them set up, Kenny.
Oh, it's